Oh my god, Becky, look at her butt. I mean, it's so big. She looks like one of those rap guys' girlfriends.
Who understands those rap guys anyways?
I know, right? They only talk to her because she looks like a total prostitute, okay? I mean, her butt, ugh, she thinks she's some sort of model. I mean, I'm not a hater. It's just...
I don't care what you haters say, I'm getting paid. If you ain't talking money, I don't understand your
It's going down, Barbie, pushing a pink Ferrari. I raced through Africa just to see the safari. I am the baddest in America, thicker than a cherry car. Just as Erica, the black Sarah Jessica, Jessica. Don't be text messaging me, I never check my messages. Only thing you can ask me is how I want my sandwiches. I want more cheese, lots and lots of cheese. And when I'm on the stage, I'm with SBs. And when you see my luggage, it's say LVs. And when I'm on the plane, it's so empty. That's why all those female rappers envy.
I'm sorry, did she say something?